Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today recipe I will be making delicious noodle. If you want to see the way I prepare this noodle, please stay tuned and watch to the end. Please don't fail to subscribe and share this link to others so that anytime I upload a new video, it will come to you directly. This is the pan I will be using for today. This is the noodle. Just add the noodle inside your pan. Add in your shrimp. If you don't want to use shrimp, you can use beef. You can use any kind of meat. I'm using shrimp. I'm using shrimp. Add in your tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomatoes. I prefer using this one. I have this one on tone. I will be using this one. I will be making the sauce thickener in a bowl. Cracking your egg. I'm using 1 egg. Add in your sauce thickener. Add 4 spoons. I'm adding 5 spoons. Set it aside. Add in your salt. This salt, I'll add salt. I add turmeric, crushed bonnet, Maggi seasoning, or ginger powder, and your garlic powder. You can use any kind of spices. These are the spices I'll be using. Adding water. And mix. And mix it. After mixing it, pour it inside the noodle. After adding the sauce, add in your cheese. I will bake it for 20 minutes. bake for 20 minutes. This is the noodle. Look at the beautiful color, very nice. I'll cut from the noodle. Look at the cheese, everything is nice. Just add it in a plate. See the beautiful color. You can try this with your family. It's very delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe. I thank you all for joining me. May God bless you. Until we meet next time. Bye.